This weekend we went to South Florida Railway Museum in the heart of Deerfield Beach, Florida. So let's see what we saw there. I'm Tom Kvichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. We went to Deerfield Beach, Florida this weekend for a swap meet, train show, and to go to the museum that they have there set up at the Deerfield Beach train station. It's always good to see other people building layouts, and there they had a large HO scale layout and quite a few N scale layouts. Some of them were already built and some of them were in the process of being built. And we're going to show you what they have there. I'm going to show you what I got at the swap meet. And we even had some rail fanning because it was a train station. So let's see what we got to begin with. Anyway, this right back here, the Caboose 2 box cars and 2, I think, 36-foot hoppers. I got this 34 or 30-foot micro engineering deck bridge, and with a concrete base on it. It's only 30 foot. It's a little bit shorter than what I was looking for, but I'll find a place for it. And I got a kit. It's not much of a kit. It's an old kit, but basically, you got the body of the boxcar and the frame and the trucks. Okay, no couplers in it. It's train miniature HO railroad kits and accessories. Besides all of this stuff here, we took a ride over to the train station where they have the Railway Museum. And I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we saw there. We got a lot of footage of it, so this may take a while. Here is the HO scale layout, and Ray helped me understand how it was running and everything else about it, the electronics that they use. Well, nothing running on this side yet, but this is the upper level. Here is the main level, just one side of it, and underneath they got their staging on both sides. Okay. Here's the helix. Alright, there we go.
Alright, let's try it again.
Okay. There we go.
Hey, listen, we're doing good having automated switches.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Especially for down here. I don't have to call in there and switch things.
Pedometer.
Did you figure out what it is?
It just happened again.
Uh-oh.
Must be something going on over here.
This turn on over here is going the other way. Right here. Up on top.
Is it solvent? I'm not into taking those apart.
And here comes the passenger train to the station outside. Nice long coal train over here. This one is the end scale layout that they are in the process of building right now. Doing the ballast. All right. How do these things work out? They lay out?
I love them.
They?
That's the work they do.
Oh, okay.
And you just go back with a brush, clean it up, and you can do so much ballasting so fast.
Wow.
Some people hate it.
Yeah.
The guys here thought I was crazy when I brought it in.
Oh, really? Wow.
I said, okay, but you're not working on this layout. So, but then the guy who went and bought one for the HO layout. So. Now, these are 3 of my engines. Up. There's part of a train missing.
Uh-oh.
After I ballast, I was done with the kind of They're wonderful tools.
coated with glue.
Coated with glue, and it's coated with water and everything else. Just a second.
Oh, there you go.
The track's dirty and it's huffing and puffing. Stop that one.
It's amazing how you get the sound out of there. It's such a small speaker.
Okay, we're going to run this one.
Alright.
Switch through. Yeah.
Got some work to do. This is going to be cold when it's done. Got a ship right here. Okay. All these models were built by one guy. Bring it down to here. They're behind glass, so bear with me here. These are nice models. What's the guy's name on the thing in the front? Okay, NMRA winners. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's that one right there. Second shot of them. Those are really nice models.
It should be on the.
Oh,
Is there
on the cord. There you go. Not plugged in.
No dice. I don't know. No, that's a TV.
That's all right. The phone gets it good. It lightens it up.
Put the flash.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Slowly but surely. We're gonna put new lights in it.
And you're building it?
I'm restoring it.
You're restoring it. Okay.
That's a big difference.
Yeah.
Not to take anything away from
It's
what
just
you're doing.
just as hard. Yeah.
Restoring.
Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah.
But the roofs are over here.
Wow.
We're gonna put all new lights in it because the lights they're very dim, so you can't even tell that
Yeah,
it's lit up.
you can't tell.
And then clean it one more time. We're gonna put wood all around here, and they're building a Lazy Susan for it, and it'll have its own display.
Oh, okay, good.
But it's been my favorite one since coming here.
It is.
They needed it to be, and I said, okay. They did. They had me working the door today too.
No.
Yeah, I seen you over there. Yeah.
No, you saw it. She's
Yeah.
working the door,
Yeah.
collecting the cat. They like her. She does everything we ask her to do. You gotta just keep asking.
Give to my son.
There we go. From Miami Airport to Mangonia Park. And that's where we are right now, Deerfield Beach.
Oh, it's over there.
It's funny, we were going in the wrong way.
It's at the station. Okay. We thought it was coming in the same direction.